something I want to bring to our viewers. We may recall, of course, that big move up during the course of August in many of the FAANG names. It was only subsequently in early September, the Wall Street Journal reported that Softbank went on a buying spree in terms of call buying, perhaps spending as much as $4 billion on calls that may have actually had the effect of sending some of those stocks up to highs that they have not revisited yet. I mention this because derivative sources in a number of areas on trading desks this morning have indicated to me that yesterday that so-called Softbank whale was back in the market. No sign today, but yesterday alone, $200 million spent on premium, all call purchases. And those are the four names that you're looking at right there that they spent. You know, whether it's 1,900 calls for Netflix in March for 510 or 1,200 Amazon, 1,000 Amazon. This took place largely yesterday morning. No sign of the Softbank whale back in the market today, though that may soon be the case again. But wanted to mention it because, as people may remember, yesterday things were kind of strong, but certainly during that period in August, we saw so many of these stocks, including, you can see it right there, Amazon peaking, and a lot of the call buying yesterday did seem focused on Amazon in terms of at least the dollar volume there. Again, $200 million in a day on premium gets a lot of desks' attention, and it forces a lot of them, as you might expect as well, to start getting short because they may have to cover as well. And, you know, you wonder whether there will be another sort of a melt-up like August. So, again, we'll watch this closely. Interesting take as well, Carl, on Softbank overall. What seems to be a bit of a change there in terms of investment approach. But again, a number of sources in the derivative markets on major trading desks noting that significant call buying, and they all point to Softbank as being behind it. Back to you.
David, it looks like they invested in all of FAANG except for Apple. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right.
Skipping
that's
Apple?
The four names I've got are, well, they're all there. No Apple. Everything else is what we're showing you. Netflix, Amazon, Facebook, and Alphabet. Not sure why they chose not to go after Apple or how that figures into their investment thinking at this point, Leslie.
No, it's certainly something to keep an eye on, especially given, you know, some of the lessons learned from August, where they were really able to, ride that momentum upward, move the market, somewhat alleged, given, their massive positioning in the market. $200 million, clearly they are back. They see opportunity, although, as you mentioned, those four names are trading lower today. So it'll be interesting to see kind of how that plays out and whether they're done.
Right.
$200 million.
Right. $200 million is not $4 billion, which they already may have spent. And it's unclear where a lot of those trades are, whether they're still riding with them, Leslie, or whether this is simply a sign of more to come, which is why, Carl, we wanted to let people know about it.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.